Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your Discord notifications on your iPhone. This does work very similar on Android as well, so if you do have an Android phone you can stay tuned and watch this as well. This is just for the new update on Discord, so if you're looking to do this now or in the future, this is the most recent thing. So all you have to do is open up your Discord application, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Just wait for it to boot up here. So first I'm going to show you guys how to disable your notifications just for a certain chat, and then I'll show you guys how to disable it if you're looking to disable the notifications of the whole app. So for a chat, all you have to do is open up the specific chat you want to disable the notifications for. Then you're going to go to the top right where those two people are, the icon. Click on that. Then you just want to click on settings. Then if you scroll down, you see notification settings. You want to click on that. And then here you can either mute the whole chat general, that's the chat that I am in, or you can go down to the bottom here and you can either disable all messages, only mentions, or nothing at all, and have it completely nothing. Totally up to you. So yeah, that's how you change the settings for a chat. And then if I just exit out of here and go back to the home screen here, just like this, you can now go to disable all your notifications for the application. So we're just going to go to the bottom right where your profile is, and just click on your profile, and then we're going to scroll down, and then you'll see the option for notifications. You want to click on that, and then at the top here you see get notifications within Discord. You can turn that off, and then also you can disable notifications outside Discord as well, just by going to your system settings, and then as also integrating calls with the phone app. So you can decide there if you want to disable any of those options. There is a link that'll bring you right to your settings here if you click on that to disable the off app notifications. But yeah, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.